I want to show you how I put together a small wave square I designed in 3D modeling software and printed on my 3D printer. And I made all these things that go in an envelope. There's the 3D, the small wave square with its raft. That's this pink part that goes around here. I designed a card. Some of the cards have NFC, near field communication, NFC near field communication tag inside. Sometimes I include the notes that I made when I printed it, and this little booklet. Oh, and don't forget the magnet. So let's get started. First, break off the raft. This is a temporary throwaway piece that I like to use. It helps printing. That's the shaft. This is called the head. Sometimes there are these little threads and things on the back, but those will scrape off with a knife blade. Then you have to take out these supports. Sometimes you have to use a tweezer, but this one just came out real easily. There's a hole right in here for the magnet. You press that in there real hard. Oops. Slippery little thing. Press it in there real hard, feel it click in there. And then the shaft plugs into the head, like that. Then you put it on your refrigerator door or any kind of metal, ferrous metal that is a steel or iron kind of a surface, like I do. Here I am with my gallery, my showplace, where I keep all my wave squares and C-squares and my fidgets, everything I make. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie.